Hello guys, welcome to Thesca channel one more time. In this video I'm just trying to find out what is the best setup for my helmet to do monologuing. I have two setups, so I'll show you what I have. We'll do a ride test to see how they perform. So stay tuned and let's go for it. So this is the setup we're gonna test today. I have two different setups for the motorcycle. The first one you'll hear is my YI 4K Plus camera with the casing, of course, and the iPhone headset. This will be connected externally to the microphone port. Okay. All right, and then the second setup I have, that is the second thing you'll hear, is the Garmin UltraBurb 30 connected through a Bluetooth microphone. This will connect Bluetooth to the camera via Bluetooth. I have a little foam thingies in here to act as a windsock to cover this the mic. Okay, so this will go over like this. It's kind of not a very professional setup, but sometimes it does the job. I have to improve this. We'll show you in a different video. I'll try to improve that setup. And this is of course the casing. So basically that's the two setups that I have for the camera that I will test in this video, and you can tell me which one is better. I believe this has better sound, but this is more comfortable. Okay, but see by yourself in the video. All right. So without further ado, let's go to the motorcycle test.
Let me bring the visor down. Visor's down. You still can hear the...
Which is the Garmin UltraBurb 30 with a Bluetooth microphone, okay? And the other one I already tested.
Top phone, you know, top-notch phone. I want to believe that they will spend the money in a high-quality set of headset, right? Good earplugs and good microphone.
To the camera, okay? The reason I want to make that comparison is because the UltraBurb, the Garmin UltraBurb setup is very comfortable. You don't have to wire anything at all. And the camera is smaller and lighter, so it's much more maneuverable than the other one.
Oh, I love the sound of the motorcycle. I love this sound, this exhaust, especially when you downshift or when you decrease velocity. Okay, so here's the gas station. All right, okay.
Normally I have it set up for 1080p 60 frames per second. But right now I have it at 2.7K and 60 frames per second, which is also very, very good quality video. At the moment, whoa, hey, this guy, I don't know where he's going. At the moment, I'm at the highway. The visor is down. It's a little windy here in Madrid, so it's a good test because the wind noise is very important to me.